Make potato chip chicken, oven baked. Can you imagine how potato chips and chicken will taste like when baked? This may seem an odd combination and may seem an odd way of cooking the two odd ingredients. But try it and you might just love how the baked potato chip chicken will taste like. You might just love how this new recipe will give a treat to your taste buds. Follow the steps below on how to cook this recipe. Prepare all the ingredients before starting. It will be a real stress if you start cooking without preparing all the ingredients first. Here are what you will need for the baked potato chip chicken: 1 teaspoon butter, 1 cup self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon meat tenderizer, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 cups of crushed potato chips, ½ cup of olive oil, and 8 pieces of chicken tenders. Clean the chicken and leave them in the refrigerator to cool down. They need to be cold enough so that the mix ingredients will easily stick on them. Preheat the oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While preheating oven, grease a baking dish, preferably a 9x9, with butter. You may spray melted butter, too. Set this aside. Get a large bowl and sift the powder ingredients together. Pepper, salt, meat tenderizer, garlic powder, and self-rising flour should be combined in the sifter. Sift them all together to the large bowl. Don't mix them anymore but instead leave them there like that. Place the crushed potato chips in a separate bowl. Another bowl should be poured with the olive oil. All in all, you will need 3 bowls to bread the chicken for this delectable recipe. Get the chicken out of the fridge. You may wash them again with cold water if you want to add moisture, but that is not necessary. Dip 1 piece of chicken to the 3 bowls. Dip 1 piece into the olive oil first and then into the powder mixture and then back into the bowl of olive oil, and lastly in the bowl of crushed potato chips. Lay the already coated piece of chicken in the baking dish. Do this over and over again until all the chicken pieces are coated. Sprinkle the remaining ingredients on the coated chicken pieces. Sprinkle the powder mixture. Spread the olive oil and then top the chicken with the leftover crushed potato chips. Place the baking dish in the oven. Leave it there until the chicken is not pink anymore and until the coat is golden brown. This might take more or less 30 minutes. Let the baked potato chip chicken in the oven to cool down. When already cool enough, you can get it out and serve on a plate. Don't forget to have fun with the plating. This recipe will not look like delicious on its own. Adding some greens will add appeal to this recipe. You can sauté green beans or any vegetable of your choice. It is also best to be served with a piece of toasted bread, too. Try it and you will discover how delicious it is to turn your favorite snack into your favorite chicken breading.